Listen, you slut. Leave my husband alone. He is a married man. The next time you call this line, I will trace you wherever you are and I will waste you.
What did you just do? Did you just pick my call? How dare you pick my call? Look, Cassie, this is the height of it all. You don't have any right or whatever to pick my phone.
That slut called your phone and you still have the guts to talk to me, right? I know you will never change. You're a bastard. That's what you are.
It's too early for this.
Why did you engage me?
Cassie.
You engaged me to frustrate me.
Cassie.
Right? You will see frustration.
I don't have your time. I'm leaving for work.
You will see frustration.
I don't want to talk to you.
You engaged me.
my shirt.
Really? Really?
Mama, the reason I called for this meeting is to tell everyone that I am no longer interested in Casey anymore. As a matter of fact, I'm calling off the engagement.
What are you saying? Did I hear you well?
Mama, calm down. Let him finish what he wants to.
There's nothing else to say. I am done. I am not interested in marrying your daughter anymore. She said you can ask her the hell she has put me through. Or you can ask your daughter Vivian.
Really? You must be joking. So after tying my daughter down for 2 good years, using her as you like, you got her pregnant. She carried your baby for 9 months and the baby died.
And he died because of your promiscuous lifestyle. You were busy cheating on my sister instead of taking care of her. Did I not catch you with the lady that has finally succeeded in destroying your home? Did I not catch you red-handed?
It's okay. You catch him. Eziokwu. My son, I came to talk to you as a mother. Please, you have to work things out with my daughter. I've spoken with her and she promised to change.
Mama, I don't have peace and happiness with your daughter anymore. And I can't continue like this. Every day, quarreling, yelling. Every day, we practically live like strangers. How long is it going to continue like this?
You frustrated her so much. You cheated on her when she was carrying your baby. Her BP was so high, even the doctors were warning her that she should stop stressing herself because it's not good for her and the baby. So with all these things she went through, she believed it is the stress that made her have a stillbirth. You need to understand that she is only human. She is so angry and hurting. Sister, let's go. There is nothing for you here. Let's go.
Welcome to my house.
Our house, you mean?
Yes. Our house. You know I love you.
And I love you too.
Let's go to the room.
Okay, baby.
Oh, bad boy, come on. Hey. Where is that useless gatesman? Jacob! Jacob!
Madam,
Will you bring your silly self here?
madam,
So, you didn't wash this car?
madam, sorry. I didn't know you would be going out today.
Are you stupid? You don't know that you have to wash this car every day. Eh?
Madam, no vessel. Big man said that I should only wash the car whenever she wants to go out.
Will you shut that hole on your face? Listen, there is no big or small madam in this house. I am the only madam, and you will take instructions from me. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now you have only 10 minutes to wash this car and make it clean. Else, you know what I will do to you.
Sorry, ma'am.
Nkemsinachi, you barely eat anything these days. All you do is to lie down and cry. For how long are you going to continue like this? How long are you going to cry for a man who is not even worth it? Probably he is somewhere right now, enjoying himself with someone else. And you are here killing yourself. Look at you. Look at. Mekenero mwege better.
Mama, you won't understand. I gave my all.
I know. But let's leave everything in God's hand. Maybe this happened for a reason. If he is your husband, he must surely come looking for you. But if he is not, you can't force it. Yes! Your own God's-given husband must come. Your name is Nkemsinachi, meaning mine is from God. My daughter, let your husband come from God. Stand up and eat. Stop crying. Cheer up. Come and eat. The food is almost cold. Huh?
At the end of the night, oh, sorry, love. Sorry.
Nkemsinachi.
Hi! Oh my God, Tony!
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine, Tony. How are you? Look at you.
I'm alright.
Oh my God. How have you been? Where have you been?
Yeah, you know how it is now. I've been busy, traveling around the world and doing my business.
Oh really? That's so great. You remember my sister Vivian?
Yes.
Oh well, yeah, I do. How are you, Vivian?
I'm fine, sir. Good to see you, sir.
Thank you.
Tony, when are you coming to take me out? You know, it's so boring here in the village.
I would have loved to, but I'm taking my pregnant wife for shopping. Honey? Honey? Meet Nkemsinachi, a friend.
Okay.
Nkemsinachi, meet my lovely wife.
Hello.
We got married last year. As you can see, we're expecting a child.
Oh, nice meeting you, Mrs.
Same here.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. How is your husband?
He's very fine.
Why you didn't even invite me to your wedding?
Oh, wedding preparations, you know, I got so busy, yeah.
Come on, what are friends for? Huh?
I know, I'm so sorry. I will have to go now.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay, take care. Bye.
Okay, so you guys should have a good day. Yeah?
Okay.
Right.
Oh my God, sister! Nkemsinachi! Sister, do you want to kill yourself? Oh my God, sister! Oh my God, sister! Sister!
Let's take her to the hospital.
Sister! Oh my God, sister!
If you kill yourself in Kesnach, the world won't end. Life will go on and everybody will be fine eventually. What is wrong with you? Why do you want to kill yourself because of a man who doesn't care about you? A man that treated you so badly and left you high and dry. If you kill yourself now, that man will live and move on. It won't change anything. Pull yourself together, Kesnach, and let go of everything that has happened. Start a new life, a new you. Today is the 3rd day we came back from the hospital. And the doctor said you should eat very well and rest. You have to help yourself. Or do you want me to die before my time? Almost there again.
It's okay, Mama. I'm fine now. I'll move on.
Are you sure of what you're telling me? Thank God. God, I thank you for healing and restoring my daughter. Hi. I am so relieved now. Do you know I was scared that you might do something stupid to yourself? That was the reason I asked you to come with us to the village. Okay, look at it now. Look at what you've done to yourself. Assuming you are there alone in the city, how would you have managed this wound? Tell me. God, I thank you. Thank you, Lord. Hey.
I know, Thelma. Lot of things happened. The devil wanted to take my life, but God saved me. Well, I'm fine now and I'm over it. That's most important. You can't say that again. So, how is London? I heard it's super cold right now. I don't envy you at all. I know, right? So I'm seeing you in 4 months, right? 4 months. I can't wait to see my bestie. All right. Take care of yourself, okay? All right, bye.
Baby, breakfast is served. Yes.
You won't kill me with good food. Look at the way I'm adding weight. Everyone at the office is like, what have I been eating?
My duty is to take care of my man in every aspect. My man, my everything.
I love you, Lucy.
I love you too.
With all my heart.
I love you more. Now hurry up and eat your food so you don't go late.
Lucy. Yes. I have seen the woman in you. You have everything I want in a woman. I have come to love you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Please marry me.
Yes, I'll marry you now and forever. I'll marry you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Baby, guess what?
What?
Guess.
Baby, I can't guess. What is it?
I have another surprise for you.
Oh, baby, no.
You know what? I'll be back in a jiffy.
Serious? Baby, you're serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Wow. Finally, Rex proposed to me. Somebody should please wake me up. Am I dreaming? So, I'm going to be the real Mrs. Obona. The patient dog eats the father's bone. I finally took what belongs to me. But I must be very smart, so that Rex will not do the same thing he did to Cassie to me. I must give him heat to wed me immediately. One more thing I need to do fast is to collect the 50 million naira chief promised to give me by next month to buy that property I told him. Yes. Now that I'm getting married, I'm going off the streets. Let me collect this money and know that I have something to show for dating him for 7 years. Had 5 abortions for him. This is my settlement. But I have to be very smart and careful. Yes, I will be. Oh! I can't wait. Baby. Baby, I am so sorry for keeping you waiting.
You left the house since 10 in the morning. Look at the time. It's 11 p.m. Why haven't I called when I couldn't reach on the phone?
Baby, my phone died. I had a low battery. I tried all I could to get charged, but I couldn't. You know, today is Sunday and all shops are locked. Baby, it's the wedding planner that delayed me. Yes, we had to go to different places. We met so many people and I had to stop over at my mom's place to break the good news to her. Baby.
I don't like this. I was so worried something might have happened to you.
I'm so sorry. It will never happen again. I promise.
Please, next time try and call or just send a text.
No problem. I promise it won't happen again.
Promise?
Yes, I promise. I promise, Joe. Smile for me.
I missed you.
I
missed you more. Baby.
How are you, love?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm okay, just trying to get some work done.
Okay, how's it going?
You can see.
Okay.
It's going fine.
Baby. My love. There is something I would like to tell you.
Go ahead and tell me.
Babe, I think I'm pregnant.
What? Pregnant?
Yes, I think.
Wait. Did you confirm it?
Yes, I did early morning pregnancy test and it showed positive.
Baby, you're pregnant for real?
Yes, I am.
Oh, God! I'm so happy that God has chose to bless me with the right person. Baby.
Yes.
Look, henceforth, I don't want you to stress yourself at all. There'll be no sweeping. I don't want you to do anything. I'll get you a driver, I'll get you a chef, I'll get you everything you need. I don't want you to stress yourself. I don't want to lose my baby.
Oh, oh, thank you so much, baby. Thank you. But it's too early. I mean, I'm still strong. No, very strong.
Baby, I don't want anything to happen to my unborn child.
Nothing will happen to it. My love.
What is it?
I think the most important thing now is for you to compare my bride price so the wedding can follow. You know, in our place, it is exact village I want to get pregnant out of wedlock. I will be disowned or banned. We have to do everything first before my tummy shoots out. But if you still don't want to, maybe I can go for an abortion.
What? Like aborting my baby? My blood? No, but baby. Okay, look. As a matter of fact, I'm ready. I can come pay your bride price yeah, in 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks. Then the wedding can commence in 2 months.
Wow!
You can go ahead and tell your people, and I'll do same.
Okay, baby.
Baby, look, I love you. I just want us to be happy. Oh, come on. I'm just happy that God has chosen to bless me with the right person. Come here.
I'm happy too.
My baby.
Oh, yeah.
Baby, are you sure you can stand up?
Of course I can.
Or do you want me to lift you?
What they accomplished became more and inspired a new generation.
I'll be like sick.
Oh, baby.
Yes?
How are you?
Fine. See? The sample of our invitation card is out.
Lucy.
Yes?
You did this without my consent?
Come on, babe. You've already fixed the date for 25th of next month. Besides, it's just the sample. I wanted you to look at it and see if you like the design and approve before they go ahead and print.
The design is actually very nice. It's classy. I love it.
I knew it. I knew you were going to like it. All right, so I will tell the printer to go ahead and print. Secondly, babe, I have already booked a palm wine tapper through my mom that will supply all the palm wine we need. The man has the best palm wine in the whole village.
Wow, really?
Yes.
Well, I will transfer some money to your account to run the expenses, okay?
Okay, baby.
It's okay.
Which club is playing?
It's Premier League. They're about to start.
Oh, I know.
You love football so much.
I love football.
Okay, babe, let me go back inside and continue with what I was doing.
Okay, baby.
Hey.
Okay, very late. They decided to use exception, keeping 2 clean sheets in a row is.
Yeah, hello, baby.
Hello, my baby girl. How are you?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear.
Baby, I can't wait to see you tomorrow and give it to you hot.
I can't wait too, my baby girl.
Baby, can you still send me the money you promised me? The agent said another person wants to pay for the house. I am worried and I am restless.
But, Lucy, I thought I told you buying a house is not so important because when I marry you next year as my 5th wife, you will have a mansion to live in.
Baby, I know that. I know. But I desperately want my own house. I want to stop paying rent. Baby, next year is still very far. If we get married, I can still rent it out to somebody else. It will still be our property.
That's true, but
Maybe 50 million naira is nothing to you. And you know it. Just a chicken change. My love. Please,
Okay, it's alright. I will give you 20 million tomorrow and then balance up next week. Is that okay?
Okay, baby. You said 20 million first?
Yes, I'll do that.
Thank you so much, baby. I love you so much. You're the best. Please hurry up and calm down so I can give it to you. Thank you, my love. I can't wait. And you have my account number already now, so just send it in. Thank you. I love you.
Soon. Alright, I love you too.
Okay, baby.
Bye-bye.
Alright, baby. See you. Bye. Yes. Hey. This is what I'm talking about. Wow. Okay. Baby.
You look so ravishing, baby.
Oh, it's all for you, my love.
Come
All
on.
for you.
Turn around. So tell me, how many days you intend to spend with your mother?
Just 2 days, and I will rush back to you.
2 days? Baby, are you
Yes.
sure I can survive 2 days?
You have to.
I'm gonna miss you.
I'll miss you more.
Hey, don't forget to take your my baby in there.
Oh.
And don't stress yourself so much.
Of course, I'll take care of the baby and I'll be fine.
You know I'll miss you.
I'll miss you more.
Come here.
Mm.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'll leave you for now, okay? Alright.
Okay. I'll be right there. Baby.
My baby.
Baby.
You know I miss you.
I miss you more. Wow.
I couldn't wait to see you.
Me
too. These 2 days just feels like 2 years without seeing my
Seriously, baby,
love.
turn around. Man, look at what I've missed. Come here.
You're crazy.
No, I miss you so much.
I miss you
Come
too.
here. Come here. Baby.
Yes, honey.
You know I'm gonna miss you.
I'll miss you more.
No, I'll miss you more.
You look good.
Thanks, baby. Babe, I think I left my phone in the room. Let me go get it.
Oh, don't worry, honey. I'll get it for you. I'll be right back. Yes.
All right, baby, I'm waiting.
Yes.
All this wedding planner won't let this pregnant woman rest. Babe, your phone is ringing.
Dave, this is your phone.
I have seen terrible women in my life. But today, I have met a demon in disguise. What did I not do for you? What were you lacking? I did everything to make you happy. I gave you my love. I gave you my heart. I left a woman I engaged for 2 years just to make you happy. Is this how you want to pay me back?
No. No. My love. I am deeply sorry. I am deeply sorry. This is devil's work. I have known him for over 7 years. I tried to stop. I tried, God knows I tried. When you proposed to me, I did. But he used the money he promised me to deceive me. Oh God. I am finished, oh God. My love, I promise you, it will never happen again. I promise. I promise.
Lucy.
Yes, my love.
I don't want to spit on you. You slept with this man for 2 days. With my baby in your womb? Ah, God! This is too much for me to bear.
Rest. I am not pregnant. I am not pregnant. I was only desperate for you to pay my bride price and wed me. And then later I will tell you that I had a miscarriage. Please, my love, please. confessing everything to you. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. I don't want to lose you. I love you so much, please.
Lucy, you've ruined my life. You made me to leave a woman God gave me just to make you happy.
I am sorry.
Where did you buy this orange?
I sent Vivian. Is this sweet?
Very, very sweet. Feel this one.
My love, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. You must have to forgive me. I was deceived by that Jezebel called Lucy. But now I know better. Please, forgive me. Mama. Vivian.
Don't call my name. I warned you, but you didn't listen.
Baby.
Baby, you can see now you're behaving like a baby. Don't better leave. Don't let my sister come out here and meet you because you know like I know my sister.
Mama, please. Mama.
Mama, then. Oh! Yes! Good for you.
Leave this place now. Next time it will be acid. Now leave here.
Oh, my.
Get out!
Mama, leave her alone. See that? Sister, see that? You're going to be stuck. You're even very subtle with him. Use this knife and cut him into pieces.
Stand. You have to go now. She is very, very angry.
Mama, why are you even petting him?
Mama, please tell her that I'm sorry. Mama, talk to her. I love my daughter.
I will
talk to her. Start going.
Mama, I'm sorry.
You're petting him. Stop it. Stop. Stop that. You're petting him too much. Why are you petting him now? Stop it. You should cut him into pieces and feed it to the dogs. Come back and do what?
My daughter, please. You have to calm down. I know how you feel. But remember that God works in a mysterious way. I told you that if really He is your husband, that the God I serve must surely bring him back. And it has happened. God allowed this to happen to teach him a lesson and make him value and treasure what he has. Please, you have to forgive him and accept him back. I know it is difficult, but remember that to err is human and to forgive is divine. Accept him back, my daughter. Only forgive him. You know, go. Please, forgive him. He is your husband.
Kesinachi, I am sorry. I'm truly sorry for everything. Please forgive me. You were a gift that God gave me, but I didn't see it then. Yes, I know sometimes it's good for things like this to happen, so that we will appreciate and treasure what we have. You are my treasure. In you is where I belong. Since you left, every single breath I take seems like a waste on me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I can't imagine my life without you. I love you. Please forgive me.
Have you been?
Not been good.
Oh my God!
You didn't see that coming, right?
Me! I wasn't expecting you back so soon. Oh, let me go and make your dinner.
Hey, baby, wait. That can wait. I have something very important to share. Guess what?
What?
Guess. Okay. Our wedding invitation card is out, so you can go ahead and invite the whole world.
No! I can't believe it. No, you're joking.
I'm serious.
Really? Babe, what happened? But because you've always wanted it December, and December is 4 months from now.
Baby, all that can wait. Okay? I don't care about all that anymore. I don't even care if we have just one guess. All I need right now is to wait my woman and give her my last name forever. I called Mama, so I'm paying your bride price next tomorrow.
You are messing with me, mister. You're joking with me?
No, I'm not, baby.
I can't believe this.
You know what, baby?
What?
I can't wait to take you to the altar and make you my wife. I love you, Casey.
Love you too.